Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Give it a thumbs up, give it a subscribe, do your thing. In this episode I have a Pro Vent catch can to put in the bt50. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to open the box now. I haven't opened it yet. So there you have it, pull it out of the box. So they do these kits specifically for your car. This one's the bt50 2021. Got that in the box. Tell you what you've got in it. So you've got some hoses. You've got the catch can. Don't know what all this is for yet. Fittings and bolts, bracket. Couple more hoses. Nothing in that. Nothing in that. Alright, sweet. So, little hoses. Put that on the ground there. There's the bracket. And this will have all your bolts and shit in it. Just put the GoPro here for a second and open that up. Yeah, we've got all our fittings in there, hose clamps, some stickers or something here as well. A little sticker there. Tension. Another sticker. And just a shitload of bolts and stuff. So yeah. I'll take you over to the car now and we'll go fit it in. Sorry about that guys, I just had to go find some more bolts because they gave me this bolt, right? They didn't give me any nut for it, so I couldn't bolt it in. I found those bolts there to bolt that to the bracket, but it didn't have any, I didn't have one for this little hole here. They gave me that, but no nut. These nuts for the bracket as well, so I had to go find a new one here. I'll go ahead. I will put it on a time lapse quickly just so I can put this together and then we'll go out to the car. So that's our bracket bolted on now. We'll go to the car. This is going to be a fun part, trying to squeeze the bolts or nut onto there and go do that one. So we'll go do that now. So I've gone ahead, I've taken the cover off because I needed two hands for that. So here is where you connect your oil catch can line. There and there. You've got to take this hose off here, and the catch can sits over in this front corner over here, like so. You can get it on. So yeah, that goes there. You put that in there. You've got a drain line that can go sit down the bottom there, just easy access to get to. And your hoses will come across here, maybe cable tight to here or something, and just neaten them up a little bit. So yeah, I'll go ahead, I'll bolt this in now. Enjoy the video. As you can see there guys, I have bolted it in there can't really see, but there's 2 nuts on there. On the factory, whatever goes there normally, I'll put a bolt and nut through here, and that's it there. So it's facing that way for me, and I'll run my hoses over there. I'll quickly go get the other hoses and I'll be back. So I've gone ahead, I've taken off the pipe, as you can see there. I've got to put this one in here now, it says on the thing, on the instructions. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Sorry guys, I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. It's a little hard. Let's try and get these ones on. I don't think the old clamps are going to fit, so I'm going to have to use the new ones, and I need different pliers because they flick around like crazy. My pliers just don't fit over the bloody end of them for some stupid reason. You can see I can't get them all the way over. So I'll turn this off quickly, I'll go get some new pliers. So I've got some new pliers. Hopefully these ones work a bit easier. Get around. No, they still don't fit the hose. Sorry guys, I had to do this a different way because, I don't know, the hose clamps they've given are way too tight to go around. So I had to take it out and do it. I'm going to have to do it out of the car, so I know how to get these hose clamps on a bit easier. Yeah, they're bloody tight, that's for sure. So just measure this up like this, just to get a sort of the right angle, and then put it in like that. Maybe to make it a little easier, stick a bit of silicone spray in there, because these are really tight, these. At least it just goes in like that, easy as now. Put it like that. You can see down here. Then I'll be able to make it the right angle as well. With that, like that. I'll go like that. Grab this. Even this I needed some bit of silicone spray because they're too tight. Just to get it over a bit. Just to help it get over at least. Try and help it anyway. See there, it's tight as too. There you go. Got that one over. We'll put it like that. And then we go back down here. We put this one inside there, into the intake there. Just gonna have to put the camera down for a second because I need 2 hands. So I'm just trying to set up the camera for you guys so you can see a little bit. Crazy background again. Over there, over the top of that hose. I don't know how much you can see on here, but I'm doing my best with one hand, or 2 hands, but yeah. So that's from the engine there, goes into a 90 bend, comes over here, and we'll put another 90 on that. First we'll do the bottom hose now, that I've got that one in the way. So we'll go ahead and do that one now as well. Off for a second guys. Just check this instructions quickly. So I'll just put this hose together now, off camera. Just try and get myself in there so I can do this clamp up. don't give you much room or stuff to move in here. There we go. Got that one on there. That's that. We've got this one. Needs to go under here. It gets cable tied onto that after. So we've got to put it up here and get it onto the bottom one over there. And then we've got the top one to put over here as well. Set this up so you can sort of see a bit better. Just got that one on there. I just had to move the GoPro so I could get on. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but pretty dark in here, so it's a little hard. But yeah, so getting that one on the bottom there and push it on. I definitely know this ain't never gonna fall off, that's for sure. Alright, so get this clamp on. That's the bottom one done. That's the bottom one done there. So I'll take that off there quickly. I don't know if you can see on camera, but we've just put that in. We will go after and make sure it's out of the way of everything and cable tied up over here like that. But we'll wait till we get the top one on too, and then we can cable tie everything together. So go ahead, I'll do the top one now. That here's the top one here. It's a little bit different, so it can go under the hose, and I think they sit pretty much on top of each other nearly. So we're just clamping up this top one now. Get it on there. We'll turn this around so it doesn't scratch the shit out of your arm. That's that one. We've got one left, one clamp left for the bottom. Put that under there. Get it onto this one. Is in the way a little bit. Just move that. Oh. Just get a bit of silicone spray on there just so it slides on a bit easier. That's on there. Tighten this clamp up now. That's that. So we've done all that up now. As you can see, all the clamps are in place, everything's tight. Now I just got to go ahead and lift this up so we can cable tie it up higher so it's out of the way of the fan, out of the way of the fan belts, and go all across there. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Like and subscribe for more. I do have a video coming up soon. I've got it's over here actually. So I've got a water pump and a tap, I guess you could say, to go on the trailer. So there'll be a new episode for the trailer coming up soon as well. So thank you for watching. See you later. Have a good one.